vemos en Friendship, Wisconsin. There's our little cabin. Es una cabañita. Oh, somebody's peeing. Ooh. Yeah, this bathroom. Then we can go down the basement. And we have more.
Guys, I found some Shrek Monopoly.
Of course, the kids love it here. Room. There's for outside. Un patio, bien bonito. Mosquitoes are pretty big up here. There's a lot of them. And we have another room upstairs. There's a room. Another room here. I think we might keep this one. We'll see. In the bathroom. We're reheating the food. Los besties. We are going on a little walk. A ver si no nos salen los coyotes, las víboras, or something else.
Our house says that we had a dog like that. I think if we just kept going down the trail. Yeah, but it's really bad. Dory couldn't even open her mouth. She was just like...
Mommy, look, this is so sweet.
Good morning! Today, what day is today, Amaya? It's Thursday?
Yeah.
June 27. We are in Friendship, Wisconsin. Let me see if I can turn off the camera without showing my boobies because I'm pumping. Hi. Say hi. Say hi.
Hello.
Alright, I couldn't sleep last night because, I don't know, I just couldn't sleep. I slept until 5:30 and I woke up at 8:30. So I slept 3 hours. I'm gonna get ready. Oh my god. And we're gonna eat breakfast. You guys are eating breakfast already, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Breakfast is ready.
Ooh. I'm gonna go get some coffee. And then we're gonna do some activities. Hopefully. Right?
I didn't bring my swim shorts for nothing.
Kiddos.
Morning, kiddos.
Peñuda. Good morning. We're gonna go fishing.
Continue on Edgewood Drive for 3/4 of a mile.
Kiki, you're gonna fish with your tío? Yeah. Kiki's been wanting to fish for a while, so we'll see how it goes. All right, let's see what this is all about. Fishing with the family. I've never been fishing, so we'll see.
Yeah, and next time somebody needs to give me that fishing thing.
Well, if you go, there's sandy stuff over there. With the grass. There's like a little walkway and there's like sand over there.
I'm gonna throw it again.
Ay, ve, me impresionas. Una porra Pechelli. I think it's better down here. Changed locations to fish because it was kind of crowded, I guess, or small. But we came to the place that we came yesterday to the... You got one, Danny? So I came to see what they got.
I'm gonna have to work on getting this one off.
Oh. So you're supposed to like catch them and then let them go?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
But we gotta get a worm on the other one.
Oh.
Because this one already...
Oh, little one. Ooh.
Here.
Oh, yeah.
Start reeling it in, slow
Alright.
and smooth.
Danny got a fish.
Slow and smooth, buddy.
Good job, Danny.
No way, already?
Yay, yeah.
Is it the
Where is
same
it?
we got earlier? The one that almost killed itself?
Now bring it in.
Good job, Danny. Yeah. The second one already.
Go.
These fish are hungry.
They're hungry.
At 3. I know that.
Can you try, puppy?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah, you don't
I
need to
see
be
that.
patient for this. Well, you do, but still. Well, I don't.
Alright, Kiki, you're next.
Yay.
There's really like no technique on putting it, just kind of like double looping it or something, I guess.
It's like 3 or 4 times.
Okay.
Make sure it's nice and hooked.
I see.
Yeah, thorned. Like
Okay.
the thorn bush.
Alright, I'm gonna put it out there for you. Okay. And you're gonna catch right now, okay?
Okay.
You
This
ready?
one for Is there?
2 seconds. Alright, look. Hold it right here.
Got something,
Reel
amor.
it in.
You
Reel
got
it
something
in.
already.
Good job, Papa.
Reel it in. Don't lose it. Don't lose it.
Good job, mi
This
amor.
is the biggest one.
No way, really?
It's a blue fin.
Alright.
It's a blue fin.
Pull it out. Dude, this is the biggest bluegill.
No
Look at
way. Whoa, Kiki. Good job, mi amor.
that. Come here, buddy.
You gotta take a picture with the fish.
Come here.
That's your first fish,
Come here.
puppy. Good job.
The
Hold this.
largest.
Hi, Marcia. Hi, princess. Hi, princess. Oh, you don't wanna?
Okay, Ira.
Okay, just say good.
Let him kiss you on the cheek.
No.
Let him kiss you on the cheek.
Let him kiss you on the cheek.
No.
Hey, give me a kiss.
No.
Little Jasmine got a fish too. It's a crocodile.
Hope you're ready for nothing.
Someone get that
Get
TikTok
it,
ready.
Jasmine. Oh.
Search for it. Fifty.
Nice.
Where is it?
Hold on. Go slow.
I don't know.
Oh,
It's
that's
still in
a
the water.
big one.
Hope you're ready for nothing.
Wow, guys.
Where is it? Aw, that's so mean. Oh, I see it.
Get it, Jasmine. Get it. Come on.
Ew. What you got? Nothing?
Seaweed.
Good job.
Whoa, you did get something.
Slap them silly with it.
Baby blue gill.
Oh, that's sad. Good job, mommy.
Congratulations.
Yeah.
You gotta comb the hair back. Okay.
Okay.
Don't let it go, okay, mommy?
Okay. Now grab the bottom.
I know. So she's
Grab the bottom. Hug the belly. Hug the
Hug the belly.
What does that say?
Grab the belly, mommy.
Mom, I know where's
It
the lobby.
has sangre there.
It has sangre?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let it go then.
girl.
Let Danny
This is the
put it back.
time I have to shower.
We'll put it back together.
These are the careless children right here. Say hi, people. I have my fishing outfit.
What happened to the dead
Remember?
fish that was here?
I think somebody took it.
Bobby, so when you get to the flat ground over there where there's no rocks, it's like red.
Is it?
Yeah, red water. No, was it? That's where they found.
Hi, little mermaid. Are you a mermaid?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's not mermaid.
I think she wants to be a mermaid.
Look,
La gorrita en la cabeza, en la carita. Hi, papi.
Hey, Gaby. ¿Dónde es la playa?
En la playita.
Wanna be playa. ¿Cuál está mejor, esta o la de tu pueblo Forward?
Ah, forward, papi.
¿Ya?
Yeah.
Ay, Maya. Oh, yes. It's nice. Water's nice. It's not cold.
Oh, look at the babies chilling together.
We're going on a walk to see if we can see a couple deers. Waiting on all the fams. It's so lonely. What happened? Oh. Hi, mamas. I think le cayó un mosquito a tu café, babe. Yeah. Sí, mi amor. We are searching for deers. So peaceful in here. Lonely. No ruido, no nothing. Mosquitoes? How do you manage mosquitoes? Oh, karate. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Like that?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. Oh, nice kick. Nice kick, Arlo. Love it. Look at this house. They're making it. They're building it. I think we're gonna see a couple deers.
Alright, toddlers. Wondering guard 6, dude.
I know. No miramos muchos venaditos caminando porque se espantaron con el ruido de las carriolas.
With them kids.
So we're gonna go driving a ver qué miramos. And we shall see. Okay, there's a couple deers right there. I don't know if you guys can tell.
Oh, I do. They're big. How many are they? Like 2?
3, I think.
They're hiding from us.
Yeah, right
Oh, you can see them right there.
Right there.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, they're looking at us too.
Don't move.
They're looking at us.
They're right there.
They're like, burf,
Burp.
burf.
Burp.
Just
They're-
found our first.
He's like, don't go. And I más, there's more
I know,
behind.
there's more in the driveway. You
Oh,
see
I
them?
see them, yeah.
There's a baby one over there, you see it?
Really?
On the other side.
Go really slow.
I like never seen deer before.
Because ain't about to do nut. Just go over here.
Where is it?
Right there.
Yeah, he's a big one.
Yeah, he don't care.
Like I was saying, we are leaving now.
Can you guys close that door? It's closed for my baby.
Yeah.
Someone open it.
So we're going home. We'll see when we can do this again. Today, we are done. Thank you, Housey. We'll see you next time, hopefully. All right, we are gone. Gone. Gabby's first fireworks. Right, mamas? Right, princess? long ago, but I just took her out for a little bit. Oh. Esa es Amira. Gaby. No te entran los dedos. La chamacona. The kids want to show me something, so let me see. ¿Qué me quieren enseñar?
That big rock.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see.
And
Just be careful with that one, okay? No se vayan a pegar. Okay?
disappeared. See, it disappeared.
Acabamos de salir de la blogito donde fuimos y vamos rumbo a casa. ¿Y qué vamos a comer, niños?
Pizza.
¿Y cómo se la pasaron?
¿Ah?
¿Cómo se la pasaron? ¿Al millón?
El millón.
¿Tú, Jasmine? ¿Al millón? Alright. Vamos a ir a la casa a comer. Va a ir Fernando, va a ir Tete y vamos a comer pizza. Chao. Today's 4th of July. We are with my Uncle Fredo. Diles, mamás. Enséñale tus cachetotes. Y tus ojazos tan chulos que tienes, mamás.
You just go slow in the grass.
It's okay. I don't trust her near the cars. Vamos a bajar la panza para comer s'mores. We're gonna do s'mores, right, Tete? I wanna do s'mores. You wanna do s'mores?
Yeah.
Okay. ¿Quién te dio las flores a mí?
Tío.
¿Tu tío? ¿Y tu grandma? Sí. Bueno, vámonos para la casa. Buenos días. Es julio 7 o julio 6. Julio 6. Vamos a irnos ya de Milwaukee. Estoy empacando aquí la troca. Tengo ya unas maletas. Y voy a alojar a recoger a Chelis y ya de ahí vamos a agarrar rumbo para Texas. Así que nos vemos en un ratito. Chao. Y vamos de camino para el aeropuerto a recoger a Chelis. ¿Cómo se siente, papi? ¿Contentos o tristes, mijos? ¿Ah? Están tristes los niños porque ya nos vamos pues, pero pues ya ni modo. A ver si pronto se hace el tiempo para regresar. Look who's back. Chelis.
What do you mean we already blessed it?
Back by yourself.
Ya llegó papi. ¿Cómo se sienten? ¿Better?
I don't feel better.
You don't feel better? You're still sad?
Yeah.
De que nos fuimos de Milwaukee? So next time, papá.
Y quédate, we gotta go back to school for another month.
We just arrived to our hotel. Allá estaban tirando cohetes, pero ya. I don't think they're doing it anymore. Oh yeah, you can see them. Somewhere right there. Right there. Oh, I'm so tired.
And then,
Alright.
and then the thing that
Vamos a
carries
bajar
the
unas
fireworks.
cositas y luego nos vamos a meter al hotel y a ver si salimos al rato o nos quedamos, depende de qué tan cansados queden estos niños.
No, it looks like fake. Okay, now put that.
Ya quedaron dormidos los niños. Good morning. Ahora es julio, ¿qué día es? Julio 7, yes, julio 7. If it can focus. Anyways, estamos aquí en el hotel, aquí en Oklahoma. Acabamos de desayunar y vamos a alistarnos, a empacar y a ver si pasemos un poquito aquí por Oklahoma. Ayer ya no pudimos porque era noche y estábamos muy cansados. Nada más fuimos por unos tacos y fue todo. Diles algo, Gaby. ¿Qué le tienes que decir a la cámara? Mami, no me lo pongas así porque ese no es mi ángulo bueno. Pónmelo así para arriba. Así. Dile, nos vemos a ratito. Chao. Chao, chao. Chao, chao. We are all packed, ready to go somewhere. Maybe home, maybe for a little walk. Even though it's raining, we'll see. So, se me ha olvidado que estas lluvias son de la tormenta Verano, la tormenta tropical o el huracán, no sé ya que sea. Ha bajado de categoría 5 a 3, a 1, a tormenta tropical, otra vez a huracán 1, categoría número 1. Anyways, está lloviendo. Como pueden ver, está tronando, está bien nublado. Vamos a ir a un lugar que se llama Riverwalk. Aquí en Oklahoma, está de camino a la casa, a ver si podemos parar un ratito, si se puede caminar un ratito, lo hacemos. Si no, pues nos vamos derechito a la casa.
Yeah, okay, I got a map for going to the river. No, we have...
Oh no, that's not good. ¿Un carro o motocicleta?
Un carro.
Oh no, something is burning.
Camera time.
Oh, I know. I hope they got out. Oh no.
Hey, that's bad. That's my first time seeing.
Llegamos a DFW. Dejé aquí a Chelis a que agarrara su troca y damos rumbo a la casa. ¿Verdad, mijo? Aquí está mi copiloto todavía. Llegando a desempacar, bajar todo y prepararnos para el lunes que se trabaja. Ok, vámonos. Fuga. We are home. ¿Cómo te sientes, Jasmine? ¿Ah? ¿Happy? Estamos desempacando. Ya estoy bien roja porque estaba bien caliente. Pero aquí se concluye las vacaciones de Wisconsin.